Hello everyone, so if you want to activate the keyboard clipboard on your Xiaomi Redmi 13, so first you will open up any messaging app or basically anything that where you can type, for example your notes. Press plus to add note. Now here, find this paper icon on your keyboard right here. This is your clipboard, so tap on the switch to activate it. Now it's activated. Now let's write something. For example, hello. So copy it. And press select all, select copy. And now, as you see, we can already use it, so it's already given an awareness as a clipboard. However, so choose your paper sign, and here you can find your recent copies, right? So you can simply tap it, and as you see, it works infinite amount of times, and you don't need to type it once again. However, if you need this text to be saved for a long time, because your clipboard get cleaned every hour, simply hold it and press pin, and now it will be here forever before you will delete it. If you want to delete it, simply hold it and press delete, just like this. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.